Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, we're going to be tracking my spending from July 30th through August the 5th. And let me go ahead and just let you know I'm trying to take this polish off. This gel polish off, so that's why my nails looking like that. But this video is not about my nails, it's about what I spent for the week and did I stay on track. So before we do that, I want to go over my August goals. And yeah, there's something new I'm going to add to this video. So my August goals are, I'm going to continue to consume 80 to 100 ounces of water daily. Number 2, I'm going to exercise 2 to 3 times a week. Number 3, I'm going to focus more on saving for my 10K challenge in 100 days. That's a challenge that I'm doing. And the 4th thing is continue to market my Etsy shop and my YouTube channel, because I really haven't been serious. I kind of treated it as a hobby. The more I think about retiring early, the more I think about how I need to get serious. So yeah. So what are your August goals? Let me know in the comment section. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to highlight as I go. So on Friday, make sure you in frame. I can't tell you with this phone. Okay. Friday, August the 30th, I did a Amazon order. I ordered me some new uniform tops from Amazon. So I spent $52 out of spending. Yeah. Then that Friday, I went to the Dollar Tree and I spent $5.50. And that came out of my Dollar Tree fund. Now we're gonna go on over to August. Trying to make sure you're still in frame. Yeah. Yay! We finally had a no spend that Sunday, August the 1st. We had a no spend. So this week I've been snacking a lot, and it's okay. I'm not gonna apologize for it. This real life over here. So I'm a snacker. I would snack more than I would eat. So that Monday, I went to the grocery store. I think I went to Aldi's and spent $8.95. And then I also stopped at Whataburger and picked me up a burger and some fries. So I spent $8.94 there. So we're going to highlight that. And now we're going to go to that Tuesday. I picked up some chips, my normal thing to do. I picked up some chips out of the vending machine at work, and they was $1.50. I took that out of spending. Then that Wednesday, I went back to the Dollar Tree, spent $11. And then I also, this eating out $1, that's a milkshake. I had a coupon for a milkshake for $1, and I picked that up. And then I went to Walmart and picked up some cleaning supplies out of the household fund and spent $9. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. My husband and I are consumer debt free. We don't have any credit cards or car loans or anything like that. And I am budgeting a portion of our spending money weekly so we can save more, because I would like to retire at 60. So that's my goal. And the last thing, I went back and got another milkshake. So I waited to happy hour from 2 to 5. They only $1. So I did do that. So I spent another $1. I almost had a no spend on Thursday, but wanted that milkshake. You know, Miss V, it's just like with this budget, I don't deprive myself of anything. If I have a craving for something, I have learned to give my body what it craves, but I just give it to it in small portions, and that has been working for me. So yeah, so that's it on the what did I spend. So let's look at my cash envelopes and see if we have those amounts in the envelopes. So these cute little colorful fun envelopes are in my Etsy shop, and check it out in the description box if you're interested. I don't need this one. I have one for coupons. I don't need that one. So spending, I give myself an allowance of $100 a week for spending, and we spent total of $54 in spending, which was the Amazon order for $52. When I round up, when I have change, excuse me, The Amazon order for $52. That was spending. Then I did $1.50 chips. So that's like $53.50. So I rounded up to $54. So I should have $46 in here. So let's count and see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 46. Yay! So that's it for spending. The next category is groceries. Groceries, let's see. Let's see before frame. Groceries, remember we went to Aldi's and spent $8.95. So you just round that up to $9. That was the only groceries we did, because guess what? I cooked a lot of things that were in my freezer. So this 10K challenge is forcing me to do some things I need to do, like cook food I already had. So I only spent $9 a week, and plus I got a financial blessing as far as groceries. So that's why I didn't have to spend all my money. So I give myself $50 a week for groceries. So 50 minus $9 is $41. This is just the money that I spend. That's not including when my husband go to the store, because remember, I leave money in the buffer for him. In the account for him. And next is eating out. I give myself $15 a week for eating out, because I know I love the snacks, so no eating out right there. So we got $15. Then we had ate out $1. Okay, let's go back to Whataburger. That's $9. Milkshake $10. Milkshake $12. So if we ate out, we should have $3. But we got an extra dollar here somewhere. That's fine. I like to have more. So we got $4 instead of $3. I'll take it. So that's it for eating out. And next we have household. Again, household and personal. Give myself $15 a week. So let's see what we did in household and personal. Nothing there. Household and personal. Household, we only did $9. So we should have $6. I can't wait to purchase some stickers, especially for the no spin. So that's $6 we had left. And Dollar Tree. I give myself $20 a week for Dollar Tree. Saturday we did $5.50 at Dollar Tree. And then that Wednesday we did $11. So 6 plus 11 is 17. So we should have $3 left. So that's it. I had something in every envelope. Yay! Now I've noticed that once I started tracking my spending, I always have money left for some reason. So it's working. So that's it. That is what we have left. So come check out my video on Saturday to see what I do. I roll all my money over, because my goal is to decrease my spending but not deprive myself. So I do not roll my money over, because if I roll the money over, there'll be more money I'll have to spend, and that's not my goal. My goal is to spend as less as possible and still enjoy the journey. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.